final 2 games dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live here inside Banana Court, Baron Mercado covering the action. 2 more games to cover dito sa City of Las Piñas. As we see Leyte and Zamboanga fighting it off for this contest. Oasis Ballers tsaka itong Harbor Pilots already played sa ating opening contest. Opening few games, I should say. Just gonna check my notes. Zamboanga, itong Harbor Pilot, panalo sila against Apong Cagayan. Meanwhile, itong Oasis Leyte, Eastern Summer Squad, they lost unfortunately sa nanalo kanina 2-0 Pampanga Ultimate Basketball. So let's see if makakuha ng magandang panalo itong Leyte for today, or will Zamboanga make it 2-0. Now they go and push the pace after that defensive play. Talking about Leyte. Swak na swak yung tira na yun on that shot. Timeout is called. Early one para dito sa Zamboanga.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Leyte up by 4. Zamboanga di pa nakakakuha ng puntos as that turnover once again para dito sa kampo ng Zamboanga. Attacking on the left, bump, a chance to run, will go for this attack once again. Jumper, that is off the mark. Pushing the pace here. All alone, lefty lay-in is good. Making that shot for them. Couldn't convert. Isa pa sana para dito sa Leyte. 6-0 is the start here. Waves off the defense. Basket and one. Getting that basket across. Xander Jovita had some moments earlier on that win. Gets them on the board here for the first time. 6-3. A 3-point advantage. Now going for this shot. Di papasok. A chance to run once again. Candido was ready for that steal. I should say Candido, yeah. Getting for that one. Making space for himself. Excuse me. What a move. Everyone just reacting on that last play. 8-3. Shoots it. That is off the mark. Didiskarte ulit. Yabora sets his feet on 3 and it's in. I believe he has 5 already. 11-3 ang ating score. Alley-oop won't fall. A flat start for Zamboanga. Here's Joshua once again. Same move, same result. On the right side from the 3, on the left. That's quick 7 para dito kay Joshua Rayabora. (13-5). Yabora once again starting to feel it. Just couldn't convert on that pass. Referees will call a foul during that last play. (13-5) is our tally for today. Going for that swing on that corner. High up. It is recovered by the guys from Leyte on the attack. Nice feed. Masyado lang malakas. Can they do a reset? A reload, so to speak. This time from the corner. That is off the mark for that 3. Breaking free, foul, and it's good. Unintentionally slipping on that last play. Kaso makakakuha ng pagkakataong makakompleto ng 3-point play. .4:17 remaining. As they look to complete that 3-point play, and they do just that. 4 minutes remaining here. Nice strip, running on the left, finishing as left as well. Make it 5 straight points for him. Villa Vicencio now sends it in the middle, waiting for a pass. Here it comes on the left side, hounded, but I should say Bation will be called for that foul. Nice runaway pickup once again. Just breaking free, running, stealing, and scoring. Simborio, I believe, calls for that layup. Timeout muna tayo. 1-point lead.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang...
Only down by 1 itong Zamboanga, pero yung depensa nila, yun ang humihigpit na dito. Leyte, after a solid 6-0 start, medyo nahihirapan ng makakuha ulit ng maganda-gandang buwelo as a foul is called on that last one That is a Korean Tambilawan entering the ball game and just giving that foul. Free throw didn't go in para kay Escala. Knocks it down on the second. (14-12) as we approach the final 2 minutes sa ating second to the last game, our semi-main event under 16 division. Mamaya sa 21 tayo nagsimula, dun din tayo I should say sa 14 tayo nagsimula, 21 tayo matatapos. (14-12) down to 2. Referees call an 8-second count. 1 minute 35 ang nalalabi dito sa ating laban for today. Two-point lead para sa Leyte. Zamboanga susubukan makalamang. Nice pass by Tambilawan. Di nga lang nakapasok yung tiro doon. Almost a reach. Looking for that open man. One-hand shot. Bitin. Tambilawan once again secures that rebound. On the left. Pushes. Fading away. Couldn't use that glass. Looks for that step through. Better hands on the side of Zamboanga. Balik ang bola sa Harbor Pilots. (14-12) ang ating score. Looking to break in. Open 3. Hits the board. Follow up. Can't get that roll to go. Pero merong foul na itatawag. Another one at the line. Misses on the first. Knocks down the second. Isa pa rin ang lamang dito ng Leyte. Again, nanlamig na ang kanilang opensa dito. Only scoring 8 points since. Meanwhile for Zamboanga, nakaka-30 na sila. Make it 15 after that evasion. Sila pa ang merong kalamangan. Matatapos na ang ating opening quarter. Looks to push it through. 4 seconds. Merong tulak on that last play. (15-14). Leyte will have the last shot. Quick one. Hindi papasok for Santino Navales, who made that quick three-pointer earlier. 15-14. Zamboanga na ang merong kalamangan dito. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga.
second quarter action between Zamboanga and Leyte dito sa Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Regains the lead back itong mga naka-asul at dilaw, which is the latest squad. Oasis Ballers gets that steal, throws it up, saktong-sakto on the delivery. Finishing it off right on cue, right in time. 18-15. Had an open shot, decided not to take it. Fernandez, the diskarte dito on the right, sends it in the corner, stepping back, shooting the three. That was a forced three-pointer on the side of Zamboanga. Tabilawan looking to keep chase now on the right, on the left I should say. Couldn't finish on that layup. Escala, what a pass, jumper. Can't get an assist. Missing on that opportunity to run. A clash in midair, ending on this side foul. Shooting two once again ay itong Leyte. You know, looking to make it count on this attempt. Can't knock down the first. Just like that, Leyte is back in full control. 6-point lead, 21-15 after that steal. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilip.
Nice stop on that attack after the timeout. Hanging in the air. No problem. A bit of a stare down on that highlight play. Tatawagan ng foul itong Leyte. (43-15). Jumper by Jovita, it's good. Sander Jovita scoring on that jumper, needs to heat up para magkaroon ng pagkakataon dito ang Zamboanga. Another steal, runaway, Jovita, touchdown. Cuts the lead to 4 points after that back-to-back makes by Jovita. One jumper, one layup. Another steal. Here comes Jovita once again. Traveling ang itatawag on the other side. So dodging a bullet ay itong Zamboanga. Nawala na kay Hobita yung bola, but just being there at the right time. Set shot for 3 off the mark. Isa pa nabitawan because of that block. And Dovita will have no choice but to commit that foul. (23-19). 4-point lead. Leyte looking to extend the lead here with 5 minutes 10 remaining. Second quarter action. Masyadong masikip on that driving lane. No one really extending out on the side of Leyte para makakuha ng mas magandang pagkakataon. (23-18). Now is the right score. Simborio knocks it down. Looking to make another attack here. Zamboanga, isa na lang ang kanilang inahabol. Fakes on that shot. Balik sa labas for 3. Joshua answers back. He has at least 10 points on my count. Napakadaling basketball on the side of Zamboanga. 4 minutes na lang ang ating oras dito sa second quarter. Escala hands it off, forcing the issue. As a bit of a confusion kung kanino ba ang possession dito. (26-24). Yan, official na sa Leyte. Mapupunta ang bola. Joshua hit a 3 earlier. Can attack and dish out. Escala for 3. Had a good idea. Di nga lang pumasok on that last one. Almost a lost possession for them. Nice spin. Sends it. Another 3. Can make it back to back. Simborio looking to make it at least 2 3-pointers in his name. Escala feeling it on that jumper. (28-24). Couldn't get that scoop. Ganun na lang. Padaliin na lang natin ang basketball. 28-26. Still a 2-point lead. Leyte controlling the pace here so far. Candido will be fouled on that drive attempt. Nearing the last 2 minutes dito sa ating second quarter. A minute 31. 28-26. Breaking the cross. Looking to extend the lead. Once again, itong Leyte. Extra pass. Basket is good. Big men passing it to each other, finding the best shot available. Di makakuha ng pagkakataon itong Zamboanga na makuha ulit ang kalamangan dito because of this late execution, especially when it matters most. Gets that roll to go. Balik sa 5 ang abante dito ng Leyte. Lane was close. Simborio di makakakuha ng 3-pointer. Almost a nice one on that pass. Balik ulit sa Zamboanga as we are in the final 40 seconds of our second quarter. Pounding the ball inside. 1-2 step, erase that time. A chance to run. Joshua stops on a dime. There you go. Has at least 13 points in the contest. Shooting over 2 players from Leyte. Final 10 seconds remaining. Gonna push this one off. 6 to go. Almost a drop off. Joshua sees one. At wag na lang tumira on that last play. 28-34. Joshua has been on fire. Has at least 13 points in this game. Leyte with a 6-point lead.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino.
34-28. Leyte up by 6. Turns it over to start our third quarter. Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Champions of Leyte, champions of Zamboanga. Facing off each other. Leyte already lost earlier against Pampanga. Meanwhile, Zamboanga looking to make things a bit interesting for them to have a fruitful day today. 2-0. Pag nanalo sila dito, can't get that roll for 3, as possession will go back to Zamboanga. The theme of this game, hindi makakuha ng pagkakataong makalamang itong Zamboanga. Na ibaba na lamang nila ito ng 1 point kanina after starting out flat. Pero every time lumalapit sila makuha ang kalamangan, it's just timely executions on the side of Leyte. Para bang pinagsasaran sila ng pintuan every time gusto nilang makapasok and take that lead. And it can go two ways. If that continues para sa Leyte, alam na nila ang kanilang kailangan gawin. Every time Zamboanga makes a run, yun nga lang, pag sa Zamboanga, nakuha nila ang kalamangan as Fernandez scores on that layup, baka mahirapan na ang Leyte makabalik dito if they lose this lead. Because by that time, tuloy-tuloy na ang opensiba ng mga taga Zamboanga. Nice break on that defense. Tabilawan will fight for that possession. Balik sa Zamboanga ang bola. (34-30), knocking it down. 34-33, ito na naman. Isa na naman ang kalamangan dito as Fernandez will be called for that 8-second violation. Ito na ba ang hinahanap ng Zamboanga? Simborio and company looking for the first taste of the lead. Simborio shoots this one, and this is it. The lead goes to Zamboanga. Can they sustain it? And they get that steal. Simborio again. Basket, I believe, will not count. (35-34), attacking, scooping, and scoring. Ito na. Kanina pa naghahabol ang Zamboanga. Now they're starting to get the engines running. Leyte, a crucial moment in this couple of possessions. That is a big basket. (37 all) on the run. Gets the lead back itong Zamboanga. 39-37. 4 minutes 30 to go in a wild and fast third quarter. Krian passes it to Fernandez and running in Simborio. What a third quarter for Fernandez and Simborio. A steal. Simborio takes that ball away. Here's Fernandez. Door was shut. All alone. 3. Could have been big. A 4-point advantage. Krian gets that possession. Nice weave action. What did I tell you? That Zamboanga offense now is flowing like the Grand River. Timeout muna tayo.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
(43-37) Tabilawan. Outlet pass, better defense on the side here for Leyte. Can they end the bleeding? Escala rolls the ball in. Simborio has been playing well for Zamboanga. Here it is, one bump, shoot and score. A body built like a scorer. Itong si Simborio. Getting that basket is Joshua. 45-41. Two minutes 35 remaining here. 41-45. Escala leaving the defender on the dust. Won't fall. Basket won't count. Aatake ulit Zamboanga. Looking to push this one again to 6. Simborio, a big three. Nice recovery. Sila naman this time. Nice block. Tambilawan. Nice pass inside. Just couldn't hit those moves. And Simborio again. How did he got there? Pero better defense on the side of Leyte. Joshua dropping off. Escala for two. 45-43. Nice defense. Kinalawit yung steal. Just a 2-point advantage. A minute 30 remaining. No look pass. Escala pumping bodies. And pupunta ang bola pabalik dito sa Zamboanga. (45-43). Looking to end the third quarter on a higher note. Itong Zamboanga. Jovita scores again. Again for the first time since second quarter. But it gives them a 4-point lead. Jovita with a takeaway. Sander for two. A bit of a flex on that last one is Sander Jovita. 49-43. Almost coming in for that rescue. (49-43). 21.9 seconds remaining. 7-second differential between the shot and the game clock. Looks to turn away a 3. That is off. A chance to run. Final 10 to go. Fernandez. Corner 3. Jovita. Bang! That is how you end the third quarter. Trailing all first half. Entering the fourth with a 9-point lead. Zamboanga Harbor Pilots leading here at the end of the third.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah.
Steal on the other side to start the fourth. Yan na nga yung opensa ng Leyte. Just like their jersey color, gone cold, ice cold on that third quarter. Again, they led a majority of the way. And now, trailing by 9. Toilo couldn't score on that three-pointer. Referees will call a double foul. One minute has passed dito sa fourth quarter natin. Again, meron pa tayong one game. After this one, under 21 naman. Would be exciting to watch as we end our game day number 3 in the 6-day Pocket League Battle of Champions. As Fernandez finds a teammate on that attempt and will be at the line. Masusubukan. (45-54), 9 points ang hahabulin dito ng Leyte. Couldn't hit that 3. Zamboanga looking to add more. Sander Jovita has had a good end of the third quarter. Now a 9-point lead to protect para dito sa Zamboanga. Leyte on the other side will look to cut this one habang maaga pa dito sa ating fourth quarter. Just nearing the 7-minute mark as they go for that cross and a foul was called. A chance here para dito sa Leyte. Maibaba ang kalamangan after carrying the lead majority of the way. Titignan natin on the side of Leyte Oasis ballers if they can hit timely free throws or just let the Zamboanga squad run wild on them. Ngayon tulad ng sabi ko on that third quarter, our story is if Zamboanga gets that lead, magtuloy-tuloy kaya sila dito because usually that's what happens kapag nahihirapang makahabol yung isang team and then eventually when they get a chance, hindi na nila pinapabayaan yung kalamangan because by the time they had the lead, nakuha na nila yung tamang timpla ng opensa at depensa. Meanwhile, on a team like Leyte, baka mamaya yun na yung last gas nila for them to make a run, and that is a good sign for them, scoring, cutting the lead to 5. We have a timeout call.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to.
54-49 is the score here. Tabilawan, Simborio gets that basket to go. Just a timely make para dito kay Simborio. Balik sa 7 ang kalamangan. Joshua on the other side gives it on that step back. And a good look, better challenge by the defense. Now gonna push the pace once again. 56-49. Nice give and go play. Looking to make that pass quick, make that read quicker. (56-49). Lamang pa rin ng 7 ang Zamboanga, cutting it to 5 once again. Final 5 minutes remaining here, and a steal, almost recovering, breaking it free, shooting and scoring again. Ito na, 7-5, dyan na lang naglalaro yung kalamangan ng Zamboanga. Leyte may be running out of time, but Joshua will miss that layup. Gets it back. What a pass by the big. 4 minutes 35. Again, a 5-point lead as Fernandez dribbles the ball here. Simborio all day. Saktong-sakto kay Fernandez yung pasa. Breaks the zone. Feeds the big. Couldn't use the soft touch. Simborio. Kanina nandun lang siya sa 3-point area. Sprinting and getting that ball. Balik sa 7 ang kalamangan. 4 minutes remaining. Kiminales behind his back. Almost too strong on that dribble, and a steal. Picking it off. Fernandez bumps and scores. (62-53). Candido looking to break free on the defense. 3 minutes 30 to go. Floater won't fall. Simborio takes that rebound. Again, controlling the pace. 62-53. Baseline drive. Better defense by Leyte. Again, under 16 matchup. And they complete the stop. Fernandez. Strong, courageous drive. largest lead of the game at 11, 64-53. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na
3 minutes to go dito sa ating fourth quarter. Zamboanga with an 11-point lead, largest lead of the contest. Nice fake jumper is good. Falling down for that shot, getting a big man to commit. Nice passing. Beautiful game. Four-man weave complete. 6-6, 5-5 as we are nearing the last 2 minutes. Almost a swipe. It is on the jumper. Getting back-to-back big jumpers on the left and right side. Makukumpleto yung steal. Last 2 minutes incoming. Gets that ball to go. Kasama pang foul. (66-59). Knocks down the bonus free throw. Don't look now. 11-point lead. Baba na lang sa 6. Let's see what will happen in the last minute 56.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod, Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan.
Six-point lead para sa Zamboanga. Simborio will save it. Balik ang bola dito sa Zamboanga Harbor Pilots. Too deep was Kiran. One-hander won't fall. Looking for that extra one. Traveling. A minute 20 to go. 2-possession ball game. Leyte will have this ball here. Simborio plays defense and takes that ball off the inbound. (66-60) as they look to add more points. Talking about Zamboanga. Simborio goes out. 15 seconds. Jumper won't fall. Again, napakasipag. Simborio again. Now a chance to run. And a catch. Nice hustle by Zamboanga. Securing this victory. 68-60. Villavicencio. Tatawagan ng foul. 2 free throws. Misses on the first. Could have been a big free throw. Final 32.5. Makes it count on the second. Fernandez. Di papasok yung atake. 7-point lead. Nice defense from the back. That was a gamble that paid for Zamboanga. Final 9, and that is it. Jovita closes the door as Zamboanga completes the turnaround of a poor first half. Ngayon, second half, third quarter especially, ending that quarter with a 9-point lead. Fourth quarter, lumamang sila ng 11. And that ultimately seals the deal. Zamboanga, under 16 squad, 2-0. And to answer our theme, yes, Zamboanga nag-iinit lang kanina. When they got things going, Leyte had no chance to regain that lead back. 68-61. Final game coming up. Magbabalik po kami.
Liga ng